Hey everybody, it's me, Rachel, from Garden for Cheap, and today I'm going to show you how I improvise. Stay tuned. Alright, yeah, it's hotter than who would have had it, and I've been out here for a couple hours. I'm sweating, I smell, but I had to just show you guys what I did today. Wasn't the video I was planning on doing, but here it is. Let's see. In March, we took down our metal gate so I could drive through with a pickup truck to drop off compost. All right. Well, we didn't want to put the metal gate back. We wanted a double gate, and we had since we put up the fence. We just hadn't done it yet. So we figured it was about time we did. Well, I've been trying to figure out a way to put a lock or a handle on a locking mechanism on it where I could open it from either side. Wasn't trying to lock it where keep people out, because honestly, you just go to the other side or take off the hinges or climb the fence. Not that hard. But I wanted something that I could open the gate from either side, no matter what side I was on. And this is what I come up with. No judging, all right. It worked. Best $10 I've spent all day. Let's take a look. Yep, you see it. It's a deadbolt. And it works. Check this out, y'all. This board here is just for support. It's screwed into this side. Keep this door from, if that wind really gets hard, it doesn't affect how it opens or closes. Oops. There you go. Is it pretty? Maybe not. Is it functional? Definitely so. We had the spare 2x4s, and I drilled out the hole, and actually ended up having to put a spacer right here for that. But other than that, y'all, it works. That's all that matters. Not bad for $9. I bought the cheapest deadbolt that Home Depot had. And no matter what side of the gate I'm on, I can open it. And you see this garden bed right here? It's important to be able to get to it every day to water it, because it's getting to where it's 95 to 100. Yeah, garden needs water. Right back. See, can't beat that. Like I said, maybe not the prettiest, but definitely functional, and it serves its purpose. Alright, so if y'all like that short, sweet little video, like the way I kind of rigged that up, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. And to the people that have been using my Amazon affiliate and my PayPal, thank you so much. Words that can't even describe how thankful I am for that. So, I have to get off of here and go get my son-in-law. I do have another project that I'm working on. You'll see that video tomorrow. But until then, God bless and peace. I know, smile. It's contagious, and it's a good contagious. Have a good one, y'all.